Hello, what's up? Mr. Rixa, Yogurt, how are you both doing? Hope you're doing well. And yeah, hope you had a good weekend. Mine was mostly uneventful. uh, the lead up to Christmas. It's going to be a very uneventful Christmas. Switch over, shall we? Work tomorrow? Or, oh, yeah, I guess it is today for you? 7.5 hours. Well, hopefully you get some good sleep. I need to fix up my sleep schedule. Maybe I'll make that something that I bring into the new year, because that's a pretty doable thing to do, right? New Year's resolution. It's not that unrealistic or unachievable. Doing fine? Good. Mostly Cyberpunk. How is Cyberpunk? I've heard mixed things. Mostly that it's not as immersive as they made it out to be. I purposely didn't watch many or really any of the trailers to kind of temper my expectations, so I think I would enjoy it. I'd probably go into it not really expecting anything, to be honest. I think I'd probably expect something more akin to Deus Ex, which I still need to finish, but I like it, but it's very buggy. Ah, yeah, I did see the slew of bugs on Twitter. I think the T-posing is the most hilarious thing to me. I don't know, it's just amusing. But obviously I can understand it if you spent a lot of money on getting it, and then... Because I'm sure a lot of people, in the run-up to Cyberpunk, also upgraded their PCs and stuff. So yeah, I can imagine that it not turning out to be the experience they were looking for can dampen things. Oh god. My GPU can barely handle it. It's good, big bit buggy here or there, but nothing game breaking. Nice, that's good. Except if you craft a lot and your save file goes over 8 megabytes, it corrupts. Oh, yikes. I know Andrew had mentioned that some of the better bugs, if you will, for him, were the ones that crashed, because if there was a mission bug that skipped parts of the mission, then I guess you're kind of losing out on that, which is a bit sad. Alka Beast, what's up? How are you doing? Got a few bugs where I couldn't continue the game, fell through the floor a few times. Oh no. Oh yeah, I did see something about that, with people falling through the floor and then getting suffocated in the concrete. That sounds just so... I don't know, in a way it kind of almost does sound like something that could happen in the future. Like some kind of weird phasing technology where you just teleport through the floor and you end up getting crushed. Right, I don't know really what we're going to be checking today. I think what I was planning to do was something else. Maybe messing around with explosions, but that could get a bit laggy, so... Not sure. We'll see. Maybe spawning entities rather than blocks. That might be something, yeah. Actually, no, because we can already spawn creepers and stuff, so... Not sure. Slightly pissed and good. Oh no, what's up? If you don't mind sharing. You don't have to if you don't want to. I get stuck in water all the time. Doesn't matter that much though. Still enjoy it. Well, that's the main thing, obviously. If you're still having a good time, I know a lot of people are saying that the story's really good and the characters they're enjoying. So yeah, I would definitely choose to value that over things like. I'm sure the graphics are good when they're not glitching out or stuff like that. So I'll probably eventually pick it up, but I don't really have a system capable of running at the moment, so I'm not in a rush. Let's see. What am I doing with Minecraft? I'm basically making Minecraft plugins / mods for Minecraft with JavaScript because that was something I wanted to look into, and it is possible. I don't think it's as efficient or as good as doing it with Java. I would probably choose to do it with Java if I were serious about making a mod, just because of IntelliSense and all that. But it's kind of a fun challenge learning to do it with JavaScript, so yeah, may as well do it with JavaScript. My AMD RX 6900 XT should arrive today. Nice. On Monday, Tuesday. It's pretty epic. Are you able to slot that in as soon as it arrives, or are you waiting on other parts after that? I made mods once with Java. Ooh, what kind of mods did you make? I will not be going back to Java. Is Java really that bad? I get the impression a lot of people dislike it, but I don't know. It doesn't seem that different to just any ordinary type checking language like C# or maybe even TypeScript. Well, I guess in TypeScript, the whole type checking thing is optional unless you lint it, but still. Very basic mod similar to OpenBlock Stank Null. Voider is useful for mining if your inventory is continuously full. Automatically deletes items around you. Interesting. I like the little graphic you made for it. It has 56 downloads. Nice. Never used anything else other than JavaScript, so it's a pain. Okay, yeah, I can probably understand that. It was pretty much the same experience for me doing C# for the first time. And it was in a class that kind of expected me to already know some C#, so that was a bit of a pain to begin with. But I think the more I used it, the more I appreciated it for what it was. So. Going to slap that bad boy inside immediately as soon as it arrives. Nice, nice. It's gonna be pretty epic. So we had this thing where when you type in a command, it basically starts filling your entire inventory with dirt. I don't know why. I thought it would just be a funny thing, like if you're trying to do a speed run and you've got you mined up some diamonds and stuff, and then you think your inventory's safe, and then chat redeems something, and then slowly all of your stuff gets deleted. But obviously it should say that, there's a warning or something. So I mean, that's pretty easy to do, so maybe we shouldn't do that. I'm kind of interested in learning how to do other things, like things that we haven't done yet. So maybe we'll do, I don't know. I made the mod mostly for me because there wasn't a mod like for the version. Oh, okay, yeah, that makes sense. That's kind of the super cool thing about knowing how to code, is that if you're encountering a problem and you don't know what like of a way to get past it, you can kind of just script your own solutions. It's a pretty handy thing to do, because you can kind of automate and get around problems that way. We need an emote here. Also, I need to disable that thing. Wait, if I do that, will it be permanently stuck on, like, sunset? Because that's kind of cool, actually. No, I kind of like this view. Will it be stuck on that? Does time just freeze? Oh, okay, cool. Let me check that emote in a second. Let me just disable weather. Alright. Add commands. Oh, I've got that in my Discord. Yeah, we should add that. Bro, what's up? Happy holidays. I hope you're doing well. I've just added it, actually. Wait, did I have a slot for that? I don't know. I thought we were using all the slots up. Weird. Weird. Bro, I hope you're well. How are you doing? Hope you had a good weekend. Let me actually re-enable. Okay, yeah. I was going to spawn in a super flat land, but then I decided not to because I don't know. It's kind of nice being able to see all this. Right. We need to work out. Let's make. What would be a good thing to have? Or what would? I don't know. Maybe. Oh, maybe we should try explosions. Yes, maybe we should try that. Weekend was pretty good, actually. Good to hear. Mine was pretty uneventful. It was, I don't know. There's not much happening. What? Oh, that was the song. I thought I was taking damage for a second. That would have been awkward. I found a gif of the mod. Oh, the chat overlay doesn't. Yeah, I probably won't because I don't know. I'm not actually sure how it's I think it's a BTTV parsing thing. I think it automatically just puts it over it. Oh, interesting. So it, like, you add it to a list and then you don't... Does it automatically just not pick them up, or does that mean that when you use your voider thingy, it just deletes all the items that you have on the list? That's pretty useful. I can imagine it'd be good for if you're looking for something specific. Alright. I wonder if it's possible to do stuff with explosions. Wait, what would be... Let's check the events, actually, because that's something always useful to hook into. Events helper bucket. God, that's a lot. So basically, these are the different events that we can look at. So I guess this happens when an entity drops an item. Is there one for just moving, I wonder? Don't know. Deletes items around you that you don't want to pick up. Oh, okay, yeah. But does it run it automatically, or do you have to... but only when you use your voider item? I guess is what I was wondering. Entity, target living entity. Teleport. Oh, maybe teleport. We could try teleport. So, one of the trolls that a viewer can do is just teleport you to a random location. I think we should specify the range as in the function, so that you don't necessarily teleport them to a completely different part of the map, or like ages away. Like maybe there could be a short teleport, a medium teleport, and a long teleport, something like that. Oh, okay, automatically. Nice, nice. Random teleport, let's just call it that. So this should be fairly easy, I think. What is the function in bukkit for teleporting? Alright, let's see what this thread says. Get location. Oh, so it's just player.teleport and then to location. Okay. So let's pass in range.
Debugging in runtime is very efficient. Yeah, you get kind of
64.
It's like getting good at searching. It's very abstract. It's trying to describe things in a way that's easy to change. Yeah, I can do anything. We can make arrows explode when they hit the ground instead.
Kaio, what's up? How you doing? Alright, so what we'll do is we'll do const location equals new location. Assuming, do we have location? I don't think we do, but what would that be under? Location. Oh, it's just under bucket. Is that right? Yeah. So new location, and then we need the random bits of that. So X, Y, and Z. If I do it by the range, yeah. How do I know? How do I know
What you expect from a game and trying to play around with those
what the Y should be? Because what if I just teleport them in the middle of a cliff or something? That could be awkward.
They're actually kind of fun.
I guess I would need to check if I got the block of that location and then I checked if it was air. That might work. Does this work? Yeah, I think it does if you refresh chat. Try refreshing chat. You might need to refresh the browser. And also, I don't know what if it should be like within the range or within or in like a range of the ring, if that makes sense. Like, because I could do it so that if it was just within the range, it would be like everywhere within a circle. Or if we did like, we used the range as a bound sort of thing, so it would sort of be somewhere within this circle, on the outside of the circle, but with some variance, obviously. Because otherwise you might end up teleporting them really close if you were kind of unlucky. But I mean, yeah, that actually kind of works, I guess, because then you wouldn't be too far from where you started. So maybe that actually works. Chat overlays to refresh. Right, let me do that. Chat is there. There we go, that should have been refreshed. I was thinking that too. Okay, well, let's try that then. I think what I'll do as a default, what's a default? Like, what's normal? about 64, I guess. Which kind of makes sense. Let's do that for the Y. And then a random X, Z, sorry. So that would be that location. And then what we could do is const test. Well, I think we would need to do a loop. Actually, I don't think I need to do a loop. I could just do some recursion. So I could do const test block equals player get world get block at, is it? Get block at? I don't know, I can't remember. Yeah, it is. And then location. And then console log test block. And then we'll just see what we get back. I wish I could get rid of that drone error. It's really annoying. I tried deleting the drone folders, but it just keeps regenerating. It's weird. Right. Let's see. What was the name of the thing? Forgot already. It's random teleport, wasn't it? That's weird. Where did that go? Oh, I know why. I am not running watch. Z? You mean Z, Kappa? Yes, Z. I do mean Z. What are we working on? Just random Minecraft stuff. Who knows? If I pause, it's because I'm eating grapes right now. So, bear with me. Alright. Let's try this again, shall we? JSP random teleport. Ooh, didn't like that. Cannot create new object with constructor location. Do not match up its method signatures. What? Isn't the constructor just an XYZ? Oh, it needs the world as well. Awkward. So do player get world. Let's try that again. Right. Oh, we got a block. What did we get? We got dirt. So technically, that wouldn't work. Dirt. dirt. There's air, so I guess. Would we need to check 2 blocks because the player is technically 2 blocks high? I guess that would make sense. I hate working with Streamlabs alerts. Oh, yeah, they're a bit annoying sometimes. I noticed that they delete parentheses and arrows from message. TTS doesn't read them either. That is annoying. I guess it might be related to the spam protection settings. You might need to double check that. I don't know if maybe disabling or reducing the sensitivity might help. Yeah, I guess it could be just a default thing across all of their alerts. Have it 2 blocks up so they don't suffocate. What if I want them to suffocate? So I guess I need to test 2 blocks then. I need to test this and then the other one. Maybe I should just do a for let I equals 64, I less than or equal to 65, I plus plus, because I don't want to generate 2 locations if at all possible. That means I also need to generate 2. I can't do math random inside the location because it's going to change with each loop, so that's also awkward. This will be Z. Const location equals, and this same thing again, except now I can do X, I. So actually, let me call this Y, that makes more sense. X, Y, Z. And then I'll do the test block check in here. And then I'll have a result out here. Const result, const test result. And then I'll go test result, push, test block, get type. And then I will just console log test result. Oh, and you're right, I did forget to change that. Thanks. Actually, I'll just do get type equals material dot air, or actually I'll just do air, because I know there's another type of air called cave air, which is a bit weird, but it's the air that's apparently inside caves. I'm not sure what the difference is, because it's both air either way. Now I want to contact someone from Streamlabs to ask that. because their Discord is useless. What if you email them? They might be able to put you in contact with, or they might be able to at least redirect you to someone who can help answer. If they're floating or inside one block, it counts them as swimming, so it makes breaking or digging almost impossible. Yeah, I did think that something like that would be the case. Alright, well, we can go along with this. Okay, so test results should either contain 2 block types, and if it's both air, it will be true and true. If it's air and dirt, then it's true and false. So we should be able to use that to work out if it's safe to teleport. Let's see. Where's our log? False and false. False and false. False and false. False and true. True and true. Okay, so it'd be safe to teleport there. I'm kind of curious to see what happens if we teleport and they're both false. So actually, I'm gonna try that. Why not? Player teleport. Oh no! Oh no, it's okay, because I can just get the location from here. And this would just be 64. Thank you for reaching out to Streamlabs support. Currently handling a... Oh, okay, so you already tried. Gotcha. Maybe you'll just have to advise your client that they should move to Stream Elements. I mean, it's an alert box either way, so... I don't know. It's only an overlay that they need to load. Let's do if test result dot filter result only if result equals false dot length equals 2. So only do it if it's false and false, because I want to see what happens if we end up suffocating. So yeah, let's get ready to die. I'm not carrying anything of use for me. Actually, no, I'm in a oh, maybe let me switch to survival actually. I'm just carrying dirt, so I'll be okay. Right. We go. Game mode, random teleport, go. Okay, I am suffocated. Whoa. Oh. I can just glitch out of it then, but I do suffocate. Okay, I can't suffocate. Oh, I can't get out. Wait, what? Oh, I just broke the thing that I was in. Ah, interesting. But I did end up doing that. That's neat. That could be kind of funny, actually, if you teleport someone. But to be fair, if you do make it like quite far away, and depending on what the like local terrain is around you, you might end up being stuck somewhere, unless you punched it. But then, what if it's stone? You can't punch stone. I think the safe teleport is a better idea. I think we'll stick to safe teleport. So we'll just do that. So if the test result is true, if it's true and true, then teleport them. Otherwise, well, actually, if I just do doesn't equal true, so they teleport normally. Otherwise, if they fail the test, then just try random teleport again. Actually, that needs to be in brackets. Turned. Otherwise, teleport. That'll just keep looping this function, I think, until we found somewhere safe to teleport. Mystic, what's up? Hello. I might have to try that. Last time when I tried that a year ago, the client wasn't too happy. I'm sure if you worded it in a way that was like, Streamlabs is just incapable of reading, like, for instance, the text to speech without stripping out characters and stuff like that. Maybe that might help. Maybe limit the range. That's also, well, maybe. We kind of already are doing that, but it's the why we can't really control because we don't know how far up to put them. I need to teach some of my IT colleagues how to use some systems in the morning. That should be fun. So maybe I'll head to bed. All right, Mr. Ixo, sounds good. Thanks for stopping by and hanging out. I hope you have a good time teaching your colleagues. Alright, let's try this again. So we should land somewhere safe. Oh, whoops, I forgot to pass in things. We just pass in the same functions, same arguments that we got passed from before. It did look like the test failed a few times, so actually it just kept running that until... Oh, there you go. We got false and false, false and true, then true and true, and then we teleported. Within 64 blocks. So we should be able to use that to get somewhere completely different. So let's try that. I kind of like this area though. It's nice. But whatever. Just do it. Random teleport 64,000, which would be that actually. 6,400 was the other one. 64,000. Where does that... I don't even know. Let's try it. I don't know where we'll end up, but... You know what? Actually, what we should do before we do that, let's go... Let's say random teleport. Let's do it up here actually. So broadcast. I do have my broadcast function, right? Still here. Yeah. Player was at it would be sender, wouldn't it? Sender location X. Sender location. Oops. Sender location Y, sender location Z. I'll wrap that like this. Make it easier to see. Now teleporting. And then when we teleport, we end up at... We always end up at 64. That might be interesting. Not sure. But it's a common ground level, so they arrived at... I just want to see how far we teleported, basically. Oh, I just realized our range is always going to be positive, so we need a chance of it being negative as well. Let's do times and then math dot random time if it's greater than 0.5 times by -1 or just times by 1, and then that'll just give us a half chance of it being negative.
I don't have any modeling programs to do the models, I just write them in code, and I accidentally made a tall instead of log, so it was like a tall.
So it could be a negative y or a negative z. Player arrived at... Right. Thank you for the good luck quack. Random teleport. Player arrived at -1, 64 -1. What? And also, why did that send... Oh, this actually needs to go up. Whoops. Wait, so why is that -1? Sender.location X. Weird. Let's try that again. I think I was just coming back to the same spot now. Yeah, I am. Wait, what's up with that? Oh.
Debugging in runtime is very efficient. Yeah, you get kind of... Yeah, you get kind of used to it. It's,
wait. This is times.
It's very abstract.
The range is 64.
Describe things.
Math random. It should be timesing by either that or the floor is on this side. Wait, I don't get that. It's weird. I guess I could just do it in here then. Times -1 or 1, yeah. Oh, wait. No, that should be right. I don't know, let's see. Let's try it again. Player was at 0.6. What? What is happening? No. Let me get rid of this random teleport bit. Nanny, what's up? Hello. Is this a Minecraft mod I see? close. I guess people would say it's more of a plug-in. I get confused between the two. I'm not 100% sure what the difference is, but yeah, pretty much.
What do you expect?
Hope you're having a good weekend though.
Trying to play around with those expectations. It's kind of the most fun part. We need to
Or
have
had, I should say.
they're actually kind of fun. Let's give it a bigger explosion.
I think it worked. But we're not getting any negatives still, which is weird. I guess Bukkit would be a plugin. I think plugins don't need any third-party launcher. Ah, okay. That makes a bit more sense. Plugins are server-side only. Okay. Cool. That definitely makes sense. Wait. So I can surely... You can have negative coordinates, so why can't I teleport to somewhere negative? Yeah, I'm negative 14 for now. So why is that not working? Weird. Let me also math floor these while I'm here. I'm just gonna times by -1 and we'll see what happens. Lewis, what's up? I am a noob. You are not incorrect with that statement. Yeah, I can... This is a negative coordinates. What? So why didn't my thing work? Math random greater than 0.5. That was a ternary operator. Times by 1 or times by -1 should give me a positive or negative answer. Maybe I wrapped it in the wrong brackets. Yeah, I think that was actually the case. The wrong parentheses, sorry. Why does that egg look weird to me? What egg? Oh, this egg? I don't know. Looks pretty normal to me. I know they did change and update skins recently, but this is a pretty resilient egg. Look, I can smash blocks with it. Damn. Right, here we go. Okay, so we got positive, and yeah, we're good. All right, we're ready to teleport somewhere completely different. Let's go 64,000 blocks out. This could end badly. What if we just never find anywhere safe to teleport and it just keeps looping? Should we put a check in if it fails 10 checks? I mean, it's gonna have to find somewhere eventually, so I think it's probably not necessary. But we could just be really unlucky. Nah, we'll be fine. Right. Here we go. Oh god, somewhere completely different. We have made it to 24,000 minus 35,000. That is a, yeah, far away. Yikes. Well, we're here now. Let's try again. Where do we go? Oh god, we almost made it to... Oh. That's... Should we check if we're in water? Nah, we'll be okay. We're probably... Oh god, we're just in the middle of the ocean. That could be... quite far. This would be terrible. Just imagine just getting teleported this far out. Alright, we'll do it again. Oh god, still in the middle of the ocean. It's dolphins. I think it's just ocean now. This is it. Oh no. Oh no. I think my furthest travel is 80,000 blocks from origin. That's far. Alright, let's try again. I'm gonna stay up here now. What the heck? It's just more ocean. I think we're doomed. We're just gonna keep running into ocean. Oh! We made it back to land. How far away are we? Oh, we've come back now. Minus 17,000, 10,000. Cool. Oh, lag spike. I think it's trying to deal with me. Oh no, we made it to a birch forest. Someone bleached my eyes. On a modified version of Terra Firma Craft, where you have to travel ridiculously far to find some stuff. God, that sounds like a nightmare. You made an ocean finder mod. Can you imagine? That would be the best mod. Because obviously everyone has trouble with finding oceans, you know? Just find an ocean finder mod. SeaWorld. Pretty much. I think that would be... Obviously, 64,000 out is a long way to go. So I think that would just be... That would be a very high costing mod because... redemption, because I think you have a very high chance of dumping the streamer in just water. So probably don't want to do that. I think probably 512 might be a bit more sensible. That seems like it would be far out enough that you could probably get back quite easily. Maybe 1024. But yeah, that was just for testing. But we know it works now, and we always safely teleported, so that's good. It didn't usually take that much to find a safe teleport, which is obviously going to be the case because it's not exactly the worst conditions. You just need 2 air blocks on top of each other. Maybe we shouldn't do water. I wonder if we shouldn't do... No, because then it could do above water. But if we checked the third... Maybe if we checked 63, if it's water, then... Or would water be good? I don't know. I mean, I'll just leave it for now. But I think that would be fairly easily changeable. We could just check 3 blocks instead. So we'd check 63, 64, 65, and then just test if the type is air and not water or something like that. I don't know. What if 62 is water? I mean, that is technically possible, I guess. Unless... Are oceans always at the same... No, I guess they're not, are they? They're not always at the same Y level. I don't know. It'd be... I'm probably not going to implement it just because, but... There's probably a way to get around that. But yeah, okay, so that deals with that function. I think we have time for one more, because I'm probably going to head off at midnight, which is in like half an hour. What else? Maybe I can revisit the spawning thing. So one of the other things that I tried doing was that if you drop items like this and then run a command like drop disease, it would convert that item into dirt. Because that's a thing that you should do. But it wasn't... Yeah, wait. I need something that's not dirt. It's not like... It like bounces. I don't know if there's a way to get around that. Because basically what I'm doing is removing the entity and then respawning or dropping... So here, drop disease, get location, entity remove, then drop item, and then just replace it with dirt. Oh, maybe that's one thing I can fix actually, because right now if you drop like this, so that's 2 dirt right there. That counts as 1 item stack containing 2 sand. But then if I run a command, it only converts it into 1 dirt. So I think to be somewhat fair, we should convert that into a stack of 2 dirt. Because that would be hilarious. Yeah, I guess it does look kind of cool. It's like, because basically, so this is the reasoning. So paired with the dirt infection, if you will, some players might choose to just, if they see a warning of it happening, they'll try and dump their items like this to save it from getting converted into dirt. And then what will happen is that this will still get converted to dirt. So the only safe way to preserve their items is to stash it in a chest or something like that. Or maybe I won't run them concurrently. Maybe I'll just make it a second thing so other people control them if they drop something. I don't know. Kiba, what's up? How are you? How's your weekend going? There's something with you and Dirt. I don't know. It's just hilarious to me. Like the most abundant resource, I guess, is now. That's all you have. Everything comes back to dirt in the end. Are you even a real Minecraft player if you didn't make a dirt house? I still make dirt houses. Okay, so let's try and fix that. So, entity. Asahi! Thank you so much for the resub. 27 months? What the heck? That's insanity. I appreciate that. Thank you. It's very kind of you. The most abundant resource is salt. Well, true in reality. Unless Minecraft has salt now? Does it? I don't even know. I need to check. Salt. There's salt? Oh, it's basalt. Well, that's the new nether thingy. I guess that's isn't that technically salt? It does if it has Pam's harvest craft in it. Ah, okay. Mods. Nice. Let's go back to this. Here we go. Right. Let's see. We need to group. So basically, when you run something like this, get nearby entities, it returns all of your objects in some kind of weird array. It's not actually an array, because I tried looping through it and it didn't work. So I made this function called array arise, which is a pretty sweet name if you ask me. And array arise basically just converts it into a array. Because the only way to loop through it is to do a for in loop, which is a bit annoying sometimes, so I just made it do this, and then that helps. And then I can do a for each on it. Sam, what's up? Hi, how are you? I meant salt on the internet. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's definitely true. We have PJ Salt for a reason. We have PJ Salt for a reason. There's no Y in array arise. Okay, listen. It's a array. I guess that would be a raw arise. Yeah, that's true. Array arise. Array re-rise. Array re-rise. Array re-rise. Array arise. Array arise. There we go. Now I need to fix everywhere where it's being used. Wait, do a find on this. And then just replace that. There we go. Fixed. A raw arise. Raw XD. I'm done binging anime for the day, or for now. Nice. I am doing well, thank you. Just chilling with some Minecraft, as you do. As normal. That is a normal thing. Entities for each entity. Okay, so we need to group by entities. So what we should do is const. So entities could be an array of entities, basically. So it could be like, I don't know, the two sands. Wait. What the heck would that be? Let me do this. So for each entity, console log entity, because I just want to see what it returns. Because technically, if I dropped... I need more sand. If I drop 2 sand like this, if I drop 1 sand like that, that's an item stack 1. But if I do that and then they group together, I think that counts as 1 item stack, right? It just contains 2. So I need to work that out. Let's reload and see. What is the objective of the mod you're working on? Basically to make the streamer's life as hellish as possible. We have a function that fills up your inventory with dirt, which is about right. Where is that? It's called Invection because it's inventory infection. But look, you get dirt. Isn't that neat? What if you just are strapped for dirt? Maybe you want dirt. Well, now you've got it. Anyway, let's run this function and see what happens when we do that. I think this was dropped as is. Here we go. So it says craft item down here, which means this is only counts as 1 entity and not 2. So actually, how do we get the number of things here? That could be super helpful in the nether or the end where you need a bunch of blocks for bridging. That could be helpful. Unless you have items there. So you would need to play it safe and make sure that your items don't get replaced with dirt, because that will be what happens if you're not careful. And chat, if you have, maybe you want to keep your diamonds down here, that would probably be the safe bet, because then by the time you have time to stash your diamonds, the dirt will not reach it yet. I don't know. Oh, I guess I forgot to do the toolbar. I could do the toolbar. Don't know if we should. That would be super cool. Is it fully... yes, it is. So if I do this... pretend these are diamonds. It's so mean. Oh no. And it doesn't stack, so it's literally just 1 dirt. You can probably tell where it gets up to from here. There we go. That is a lot of dirt. It does encroach. It's the inventory disease. I thought about just emptying it completely, but I think dirt is funnier because it's like in reality, if you put something in your pocket and you reach out and it's just dirt. Like everything just comes back to dirt. Also, why is this mix paused? That's weird. Alright, we need to get item. So item, oh, it's item stack. Item stack. Item stack material amount. So how do we get the amount if we have the item stack? That is the question. Get amount. There's a get amount. So what if I do console log entity. So if I do, let's do this. There is of So there is entity get amount of entity get type. So it would say something like there is 1 of dirt or something like that. I think. Let's give it a shot and see if we get the answer that we're looking for. Like Midas, only everything you touch is dirt. Ooh, that would be an interesting thing. Like, what if everywhere you move, the ground beneath you turns to something? That could be funny. Alright, let's try this again. Oh no, what happened to the dirt? The sand. It's weird. Give me more sand. There we go. So, that's 1. Oh, didn't like that. Did not like that. What happened there? Get amount is not a function. Okay. So it lied. It didn't lie. I'm just using it wrong. Get nearby entities. What does get nearby entities actually return? Get nearby entities. Do you know you can access event data in a cell? For example, message is stored somewhere. For alerts, I'm not 100% sure. Or are you just asking rhetorically? Collection entity. Get type. Okay, so these are actually the... That would use a similar principle set to the one minigame. Oh, which minigame is that? I haven't played too many. I've played Egg Wars and some Bed Wars a very long time ago. Get a vehicle? Get the vehicle. I don't know what that means. What would it be? Get location, get velocity, get height. How would I know if it's a stack? Is dead. Oh, if it's for removal, okay. Referring to a Hypixel minigame where you run over blocks and then disappear after the second instance of leap. Oh, interesting. So I guess in that way, the block... So what the server must be doing is keeping track of how many times a block has been touched, I guess? How would you even detect that? It might just be that it's keeping track of when a player's moved across a certain space above the block, because that would indicate that they've touched the block. Or maybe there's a block... No, a block event sound, like attaching a listener, like a block listener to every single block would sound incredibly intensive, so it's probably not the case. Well, both. I'm just curious if I can somehow get the uncensored message. You could try console logging the window in the event in the alert box and see what kind of information is there, because I'm pretty sure. I don't know. It's worth a shot. You might see if there's any data in there that you can access. Vehicle, rideable mobs. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. First instance starts off as one block, then the next block it turns into marked for delete. So sand is safe, then gravel is delete. Interesting. Interesting. Wait, so... Oh... So the entity... But then the thing is... So that's an entity, but then I get an item, which is a subface of an entity. Here we go, get item stack. That might be what we want. Entity dot get item stack. God, those noises in the music is confusing me. Alright, let's try this again. Reload. Let's try dropping this. Then we drop these, and then we go back to here. Item stack sand times 1. Nice. So now so if I do 2 sand and they pair up, sand times 2. Wait, so this returns an item stack. And then I get, what's the methods I can use? I can do get amount, so that would be the amount like 2. And get type. Okay, so this is actually what I did want to start with. Cool. Console log window. Yeah, so that would give you access to the, I guess, the context of the alert box, but I'm not sure if it would have the message in it, but it might be worth checking out what's in there anyway. Alright, I think we can do this. So get entity. So actually we don't even need to group them at all, because it's already grouped up by itself, right? So all I need to do is I just run the same thing, and then for item stack I would just do get item stack get amount, and this would give me amount. This would drop me 2 dirt in its place. Open right, let's see. And for my next magic trick, I will be converting. Let's do 1 at first. So 1 to 1 dirt. Nice, okay. That's 2. Oh, we got 2. Nice. Pog. I'm going to convert all of this into dirt because I am apparently obsessed with dirt. Okay, here we go. So all of this, pressing the wrong buttons, and this should go up to, if that was 12, then this would be 55. Wait, what? Oh, maybe I just did math wrong. I can't count. I don't know. We got dirt. That's all that matters. This is dirt. We got dirt. Look at all this dirt. Wait, can we convert dirt to dirt? I guess we can, right? It would just, yeah, it would just be dirt. Okay, just checking. Oh, and I converted that to dirt as well. So the range is 5 blocks in every direction. So I guess it'd be 10 across. Cool. Well, that kind of achieves what I wanted to achieve, actually, so that's good. I thought I might need to do like a reduce to group the entities by myself, but because they already come in stacks, that's okay. Okay, that was good. That was useful. So now we can randomly teleport, can drop disease, infection. So the way that the infection one works is I basically just have a loop. So for 9 to 36, because all of the inventory slots are done by index, starting with 0. So this is 0. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 9 is up here, and then 36 is down here. So I just did 9 to 36. So that's the inside inventory. And then I did a timeout, so every second an item stack it will just be replaced with dirt. Maybe should I convert? Oh, actually that's a good idea. What if I had it so that if you've got like 2 sand up here, that gets converted to 2 dirt. I guess 1 dirt. I don't know, maybe 2 dirt would look funny as well, because it's like it's just literally got turned into dirt. And if you get dirt back, I don't know. What was the other thing I was going to do? Oh, chat color. Where is that? Are we adding that? Is that here? Do we have chat color? Because I want to add a message. We do not have chat color. Okay, let's add that. Okay, it's just chat color. Chat color. So, where is this? Here we go. So, drop infection, and then broadcast. The disease. No, how should we word this? Your inventory gets infected. Yikes. Whoa. That is not what I wanted to happen. Albister, how are you doing? What's up? I mean, having the exact materials you need for something turn it into different stacks, size stacks of dirt could be pretty funny. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. I think we'll do that. I'm curious though, does chat color... Does that have italic as well? Oh, it does. Cool, okay. So we do chat color, italic, chat color, green, I guess, because it's like an infection, right? Green is a color. Cool. Infected with dirt. The idea of wait, am I doing it in the right one? Yeah, I did. Infect inventory. So we should get a message when that runs now. If I go infection. There we go. Wait, what? Why didn't the italics work? Oh, wait, is it a weird thing where the formatting has to be after the color? That might be the case. Any second now. Okay, let's try again. Infection, go. There we go. Italics, your inventory gets infected, and then all of this gets converted into dirt. Cool. Right, so let's try converting this into the different size stacks. I'm gonna get wood because I can make planks out of that. I can make yeah. Actually, sticks will be useful because I got more sticks that way. So what I can try and do is, the idea is if we put 2 sticks here like that, that will get converted into 2 dirt. I swear there was a shortcut for grabbing all of one item. Can't remember what it is though. Right. So how would we do that? We would go here. So here is where it is happening. Player get inventory set item I use stack. So I think what we need to do is get the item that's in that slot, which I think is just get item actually. So why don't we try that? To prevent the loop from happening, because I just want to do this as a test, let's just do this. Get item in slot 9, which would be, so it goes from 0 to 36 up here, so this would be 9, yeah. Player get inventory, get item, then let's console log that. So with any luck, this should give us a craft item, which is the object type. Not that. Reload. Here we go. So we should get, let's see. Oh, we get just the item stack. Okay, that works for me. So now that we have the item stack, we would automatically have the amount. So all we need to do is as a shortcut, let's do this. Inventory equals player get inventory. And then I can just do inventory here, set item, and then inventory get item. Get item I get amount. So this should convert 2 sticks into 2 dirt, and then we'll get the proportional amount as well. See if this works. It'll be hilarious if it does. Oh, it already finished. What I'm going to do in the meantime is also grab myself some diamonds. because I'm a filthy hacker. Game mode, survival. Here we go. So I've got my diamonds, got my sticks. Let's see, like this. Just strewn about, because that's how I like to display my wealth, you know. Oh, and sticks, obviously. See if this all gets converted 1 to 1. So we should end up with 2 dirt, 16 dirt, 2 dirt, 5 dirt, 2 dirt, dirt. All right. Moment of truth. Oh, amazing. Wait, what happened? Oh, there was nothing in that space. We get thrown an error, so we need to fix that. Okay. Well, it doesn't seem to have broken it, but we need to put in the extra checks. Beautiful. Okay. So there was actually nothing in that thing, so there's nothing for it to get amount of. Oh, and that's why it failed, actually. That's why none of this didn't get filled up with dirt. So actually, we should just do... Let's just shortcut evaluate to 1. So I think that should work. It should just... If it's null or empty, it should just be... What did it say? Null. Okay, so if it's null, it'll just shortcut to 1. Seems just like my inventory. Yeah, same. I know the feeling. I have no concept of organization other than if it fits, it fits. So it should fill up every single gap now, actually, which is what we wanted. There is no safe place from the inventory infection. No! What? Oh, I didn't reload. F. I think that stopped the infection though. Yeah, it did. So I should be able to run it again. Alright, let me stash these. We'll just spread these out a bit more. Alright, try again. What? Still didn't work. Stop that. What is happening here? This should be evaluating to 1. Oh, I know why. Because this is null before we get to get amount. So actually what I should just do is this. Get item. If get item is not null, then get amount. Otherwise, just do 1. Let's reload that again. And oh, reload complete. Alright. I'm running low on diamonds here. So this should hopefully now work. Let's do that. Okay, cool. Now it's filling up all the empty gaps as well. I don't know, maybe leaving those gaps empty is a good thing, but it is kind of nice watching it crawl along because it's like nothing is safe from the dirt. It'll get everything. Maybe I should have it enter the toolbar when it gets to 36. I think that would be cruel. I don't know. We'll need to work out. Maybe what we'll do is have the toolbar be a separate redeem so people can choose to target either the inventory or the toolbar, that would be pretty amazing, because people could then team up to ambush the player. I feel like it's a good that it takes time. Yeah, so what I'm also planning is that it doesn't actually start until maybe I haven't added it yet. I guess I could add it now. But I did it just more for testing. It'll say something like maybe you have 5 seconds or something. I don't know. Maybe that's a bit too generous, but what else was I gonna say? Yeah, it is kind of a good pace that you do have time to drop items, but then that's what the other command is for. So if you dropped your diamonds, I don't have any diamonds, but if you drop them there, someone else could redeem the other one, which is drop disease. These are all working titles, by the way. I'm not actually going to call that drop disease. But then that gets converted to things. So there's thinking of all the different ways that we can try and mess with people. I think truly the only safe place is in a chest. So probably good idea to carry a chest. And if you think you're about to be attacked by the chat, just stash everything in a chest and pray. Of course, you could also then just spawn a creeper. Oh, you know what would be funny? What if there was one where a block of lava just spawned above you and it like chased you like a snake? Like the lava would just disappear as you moved, and it would happen for maybe like 5 seconds or something. That would be pretty awesome looking. Because then the lava would just go everywhere. It would drop down. You know what? I'm going to try it real quick. I'm not going to have it follow the player, but I am going to see what it looks like if I just made it appear and then disappear. So make another command. Let's see. I'm going to call it, I don't know, lava something. Lava snack. And then we will just go to lava snack. These are all just test functions because I'm basically just building up a reference file library thingy that I can just go back to and see, oh, that's how I did that. Const lava snack. Alright, so we have access to the player, so we know the player's location. And then all we need to do is spawn a block above them, which I've done before. It's basically, so air still counts as a block. So technically there's air blocks, like I'm standing inside air blocks, and there's an air block right on top of me. So I think all I need to do is just get the block above the player and just change that type to be a lava source block. And then I think, let me refer back to how I did my other one. So here we go. So block get type, block set type. Okay, so we need to get the block. Then the block we can just set type to the material. So sco const block equals world, no, player get world get block at, then it would be player dot location x, player dot location y plus 1, player dot location z. And then that should give us the block that's on top of us. let's try logging that block and see what it gives us. It should say air. Let's see. Right. Lava snack. Yep, says air. So that should be the block right on top of us. Maybe we'll do 2, just so it doesn't start right on top of us and we have a bit of time to move. Then let's do block set type material. I don't know what the material type of the lava is, so let's look that up. Is this Minecraft? Oh, it paused. Alright. What would lava be? Lava. Okay, so it's just lava. Material.lava. And then set time. Timeout. Say a second is enough time. Lock set type material dot air. And we'll say if block get type does not equal material dot air, then just return, don't do anything. Let's see if that works. Just dumping lava on top of the player. It's so cruel. Right. Oh, didn't do anything. It's weird. Material block get type material equals air return. What's up with that? Is it failing here? No, there's nothing above me. Wait, what? Console log. Block isn't air. Try console logging and set timeout. Oh, you think it might be that? Is it disappearing too quickly? Oh. Wait, what? It's happening to the side? Oh, maybe I just wasn't looking at it. So it was happening, it just... Why do I keep opening my inventory? It's kind of ominous. The block should be y plus 2. Maybe do I need to math floor these, maybe?
Yes, well, I mean, the creepers were a mistake. I defined the... I don't have any modeling programs to do the models, I just write them in code. And I accidentally made a...
It's rounding to the wrong place.
And that became the creeper. It was supposed to be a pig.
I'll make this 3 seconds actually instead. Let's see. Okay, that is enough time. Wait, all of it disappears? I thought it would act like water and just keep going. Okay, so that needs to be much longer. That needs to be more like 8 seconds. And also this needs to be much greater. Oh, because I guess the block that I'm occupying is this block, like there. So 1, 2 would be here. So it's right above me. So it actually needs to be, if that's 2, then it needs to be 3, 4 to get the distance I was envisioning. Let's see. Okay, yeah, that's kind of higher.
Debugging in runtime is very efficient. Yeah, you get kind of used to it. It's like getting good at searching. It's very abstract. It's trying to
Okay, so 8 seconds is generally a good amount of time.
Yeah, I can do anything. We can make arrows explode when they hit the ground instead.
I think maybe a bit too long. Maybe we should try 6 seconds. Maybe 4 is a bit generous. Maybe 3. Reload. Alright, I think after this test, I'll probably head off. Here we go. Oh. Yeah, that's about the amount I was thinking of. Still has a good amount of time to spread out. Cause some area damage. I think what we'll try and get working next time is having it follow you. That which shouldn't be too hard actually, because all I'd need to do is just put this in a loop and just keep getting the player's location every second or something. Every second for 5 seconds or something like that. Or maybe 10 seconds. Maybe there can be different variants of how long. It'd be pretty funny. Oh, alright. I'm gonna head off. Hopefully everyone had a good time. Thanks for hanging out. I appreciate it as always. Yogurt, good luck with your Streamlabs stuff. Yeah, it's rough, but hopefully you find a way.
I'm trying to play around with those expectations. It's kind of
Let me stop this.
you need to have exploding arrows. They're actually kind of fun.
Kiba, Asahi, hope you have great nights as well. Close that.
Let's give it a big
Close
explosion.
that. Yeah. We are getting close to Christmas. I probably will stream before then, I'm not sure. But if not, then happy holidays to everyone, and yeah. Hope you all have a lovely time. Peace out.